subtract this particular portion, then this area will get to children.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So to do that, so we need to apply here area of trapezium formula. Area of trapezium is equals to, what's the area of trapezium? You learned in your previous class. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. First, I'll take this area of trapezium ABML. So opposite sides are BM and AL. Height is LN. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'll take this area of trapezium. Opposite parallel sides are AL and CN, and height is LN. Am I clear, children? I'll find area of both. If I subtract area of this trapezium, this area ABC will remain in this. Here I am going to prove a formula, derivation of area of triangle I am proving now. So here, let A, am I clear this point, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the
Yes, ma'am.
explanation I have written here, I'll send it through WhatsApp. I'll show one video for you. Okay? In that video, they will explain what I will explain just now. Am I clear here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should we write this in the notebook?
Yeah, right, children. Just a minute. I'll show the video of that. Just a minute, children. I'm just showing the video. I'll show the video. Will you be able to see this video, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the video, this right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't hear anything, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's not audible.
Yes, ma'am. We
Can't hear it. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, observe this one.
Ma'am, audio not heard, ma'am.
Just
Ma'am, said to observe.
shall I explain otherwise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen, children here. Let A of x1, y1, I'm taking the coordinates of A is x1, y1, coordinates of B is x2, y2, and coordinates of C is x3 and y3 be the vertices of this triangle. I'm drawing BM perpendicular to x-axis and AL perpendicular to x-axis and Cn perpendicular to x-axis. Now, here I want to know the value of this ml. So, see, L value is x1. So, L is on the x1 and B is on x2. So, value of this ml is x2 minus x1. Am I clear, children? x1. L is x1. x1 minus x2. Value of this m and L is x1 minus x2. Same thing, ln. N is x3 and L is x1. So, the value of ln is what? x3 minus x1. Am I clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the x-axis,
ma'am.
this is x3, and L is x-axis is x1. Am I clear? So, ln value is x3 minus x1 is ln measurement. Am I clear, children? Same thing, m to n. This m to n measurement is n value is x3 and m value is x2. This is x3 minus x2. Am I clear, children? So I got all this measurement. Same thing, even BM also. What's the BM measurement here? That anyone have doubt is ML, LN and MN. So already I said area of trapezium is, am I audible to everyone?
Ma'am, can you one second repeat about that MLN, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
This A to L, this x-axis, L is x1. L is x1.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear, children? This length of this is y1. This x-axis is x1. Same thing, Cn is n-axis x3 and y-axis is y3. Am I clear here? So, distance of this ln is this up to here it is x3. x3 minus this x1 if I subtract, I'll get this ln value. Am I clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing, this ml is, this is x1. If I subtract this, from this if I subtract this x2, I'll get the length of this ml. Am I clear, children? Same thing, m to n is, coordinate of C is x3, y3, means x-axis here x3 minus x-axis of this one is x2. If I subtract both x3 minus x2. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
As I said, we need to find area of triangle. So, area of trapezium ABML plus area of trapezium ALNC. We need to add these two trapezium. And if I subtract area of trapezium BMNC, I'll get area of this triangle. I have this complete portion and this complete portion area I'll find. I'll add both the area. If I take out this particular area, I'll get area of triangle. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So here just I applied area of trapezium BMLA. Opposite sides are AL plus BM into ML. ML is the height of the trapezium. Area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Same thing I applied area of trapezium for this pink color box, trapezium ALNC. Opposite parallel sides are AL plus CN and height is LN. Am I clear here? Same thing, I am taking a trapezium BMNC. BMNC opposite sides are BM plus CN and the height is M and N. I just mentioned over here. Am I clear, children? In all three trapezium, half is common. So I've just taken out half common outside. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
As I said, L is x1. Then what is AL? AL is nothing but as y1 line, y-axis. And M is x2 place. Then what is BM? BM is y2. This is y1 and this is y3. Am I clear, children? Am I clear? BM is y2 and AL is y1 axis and CN is y3. Am I clear? I just applied. AL value is y1, BM is y2 and height is ML. ML value we already gave x1 minus x2. Am I clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing, I have applied all these values. So here I got multiplication of binomial by binomial. So when I multiplied this, I got here 4 terms. So everything, each and every time if I multiply, I used to get 4 terms. Am I clear, children? Because multiplication of binomial by binomial, I got this 4 terms. Multiplication of these two binomials, I got these 4 terms. Since it is a minus sign, so I just wrote this third area of trapezium, this BMNC separately, because I need to multiply with negative sign. Am I clear? Then all these things I wrote. Then in the next step, I multiplied this negative sign to the entire this 4 term. I got this one. Am I clear, children? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I collected all the x1 common. Here see, x1, y1, and here minus x1, y1. Here minus x1, y3. So all x1s I collected here. So I taken x1 common. Here x1, y1 will get cancelled. So y2 minus y3 is remaining. Either you can take everything and you can cancel like this, or I can cancel here only. x1, y1 get cancelled, plus x1, y1 minus x1, y1 will get cancelled. Like this also I can do it. Plus x3, y3 minus x3, y3 you can cancel. Plus x2, y2 minus x2, y2 you can cancel. And the remaining thing if you collect, you'll get this final area of triangle ABC formula. So here one thing, any doubt in this formula, children?
No, ma'am.
Am I clear to everyone?
No, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Here plus x1, y1 minus x1, y1 gets cancelled. Minus x2, y2 plus x2, y2 cancelled. Plus x3, y3 minus x3, y3 cancelled. Am I clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Here x1, y2, here minus x1, y3. If I take out x1 common, I am getting y2 minus y3. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Yes, ma'am.
I am taking common out. That's it. I am correcting whichever is remaining. I am taking common out. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. So this is a formula we have to use to
To
calculate
find
the
area
area.
of triangle on the Cartesian plane.
Okay, ma'am.
So here, so this is a derivation. I just make you to understand. So they have not asked the derivation anywhere. Only remember this formula. I'll just use this is a cyclic order way is there. You just observe the formula, children. Half x1. Here x1, y2, y3. 1, 2, 3. x1, y2, y3. x1 into y2 minus y3. If you remember only this first term, these remaining 2 terms will be very easy. I'll repeat once again. If you remember only first term, x1, y2 minus y3. 1, 2, 3. It is in order wise. Am I clear, children? Next is cyclic order. x1 will become x2, y2 will become y3, y3 will become y1. It is cyclic order. Am I clear here? Next, x2 will become x3, y3. After y3, again back to y1. After y1, it is y2. If you remember only the first term, the remaining 2 you can write in a cyclic way, cyclic order. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone
Ma'am,
have
can you
doubt in
explain
the
the formula from first, ma'am?
derivation you are asking or only formula?
Derivation, ma'am.
Derivation I send a video to WhatsApp also. I'll send the sheet also. Here we just explain. Find the area of these two trapezium. So this will cover the entire space. So we need only this area of triangle ABC. So subtract this area of this trapezium. We'll get only area of this triangle ABC. That's what I have done it here. Am I clear here?
So we should not find the rectangle thing, ma'am.
Where is rectangle here? This is also trapezium. See, this is the trapezium. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. This is not rectangle. See the length. This CN length is lesser than this BM length. Yes? Only these two sides are opposite sides are parallel here. Am I
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Here you are
Yes, ma'am.
seeing 3 trapezium. This green color portion is one. This pink color portion is another trapezium. And this both together, BMNC is another trapezium. So area of this ABML trapezium and area of this ALNC trapezium you add. And if you subtract area of this trapezium, we'll get only this area of ABC. Am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So finally, we'll get the area of triangle ABC. So this one only remember half into x1, y2 minus y3. See 1, 2, 3. Only if you remember this first term, next two terms are cyclic way. X1 will become x2, x2 will become x3, y2 become y3, y3 next is y1. Then y3 become y1, y1 is next one is y2. Cyclic way you can write. This is an easy way to remember area of triangle ABC. Anyone have doubt in this derivation of triangle ABC, children?
No
No,
doubt.
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
Now, shall we move on to the exercise 7.3?
Yes, ma'am.
7.3 first one. Here there are two questions are there. In this first question I'm
Ma'am.
solving. The second question I'm giving as a homework. Am I clear, children? First question. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. There are triangle, as you know, 3 vertices will be there, no? Here the first one is x1, y1. Second one is x2, y2. Third one is x3, y3. Am I clear? You take
Yes,
the
ma'am.
first one as A, vertex A. Second one is vertex B. Third one is vertex C.
Ma'am.
So we'll apply that in the area of triangle ABC. So to avoid the confusion, I just wrote first one is x1, y1. Second one is x2, y2. Third one is x3, y3. These values I just applied in the formula. Am I clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, children?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So when I applied here, 2 4s are 8, minus 1, both are negative. Add to the same sign, minus 7, and 2 into 3, 6. So 8 plus 7 plus 6, it is 21 by 2 square units. Am I clear, children?
Ma'am, can you draw a triangle and show, ma'am?
Anything, you can draw any triangle, you can write the vertices A, B, and C. Vertex of A they gave 2, 3. Vertex of B is minus 1, 0. Vertex of C is 2, minus 4. So we need to find the area of this triangle ABC. So just apply directly the formula. So call the first one as x1, y1. Second one as x2, y2. And third coordinates as x3, y3. First one is A coordinate of A, vertex B, and vertex C. Then apply area of triangle, all the value, and you get area is 21 by 2 square units. Since it is area, it is square units. Am I clear to everyone, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Anyone have doubt in this sum?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now, you all have learned the meaning of collinear. Anybody explain tell the meaning of collinear, children? Already have explained in the first exercise 7.1. We discussed the meaning of collinear points. What do you mean by collinear?
All
What
points
do you mean by
lie.
collinear, children?
All
Yes,
points lie
all
on
the
the same
points-
plane. Same.
All the points lie on the same line is nothing but as collinear points. Here, if they ask collinear, see in a triangle, if all 3 points are the same line, A, B, C, means will you be able to form a triangle here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So we can't able to form a triangle. Then what will be the area of this triangle now? We can't even find area. So it is 0 only, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
area will be 0. Am I
Yes,
clear to
ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
If condition for collinearity of 3 points, if all the 3 vertices are in collinear, then area will become 0, right? Because we can't form a triangle. So there is no triangle, there is no area. Yes? So area will become directly 0. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just explain. Condition for collinearity of 3 points. Let the given points be x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. Then A, B, and C are collinear. If all the 3 points are on same line, there is no triangle. If there is no triangle, there is no area. Then area of triangle becomes 0. Am I clear here?
Yes.
Any
ma'am.
doubt?
No, ma'am.
Children, any doubt,
No,
children?
ma'am.
If area
No,
becomes
ma'am.
0, then
No,
just
ma'am.
write the formula of area of triangle ABC. That's 1 by 2 into x1, y2 minus y3. Then when I cross multiply 2 towards RHS, 1 by 2. 2 is in the denominator. If I cross multiply, 2 into 0 becomes 0. Then what is the collinearity of a 3 points? x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y2 plus x3, y1 minus y2 is equals to 0. Whenever there's collinear points, to make area 0. Then half will be not there and you're making area 0. Am I clear, children?
Yes,
Anyone
ma'am.
have doubt in this point?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So shall we solve one sum based on this? Exercise 7.3, second question. Exercise 7.3, second question. Value of K for which the points are collinear. Whenever they say the points are collinear, we need to make it area 0. Am I clear, children? Here they gave vertices of A, B, and C. For collinear points, area of triangle formed by them is 0. Am I clear? When area is 0, I'm just writing the formula just now which I explained. Collinearity of a 3 vertices. So that formula I've written. I just applied the value. x1 is 7 and y2 minus y3. y2 is 1 minus y3 is minus k. So it is minus of minus k. Am I clear, children? Plus x2 is 5 into y3 minus y1. y3 is minus k, minus y1 is minus 2. So it is minus of minus 2. Plus x3 is 3. And y1 is minus 2 and 2 is 1. Then 1 minus of minus k is 1 plus k plus minus k minus into minus 2 is plus 2 plus both are negative, add with same sign 3 into minus 3. So I'm just multiplying multiplication of monomial by binomial. 7 into 1 is 7 plus 7 into k is 7k and 5 into minus k is minus 5.